Hey you all, so I have a lot of squishies for sale. The rules are that you must know me in real life to purchase, so I have squishy lots of 5 here. So yeah, they come in packs of 5 for $20 each, except for this one, which only comes with a pack of 4 because the squishies are just lit. So in this pack of 4, there's this Pom Pom Cream Deco Donut, Mama Goma Bun, Decoed Bun, and this Hello Kitty Twin Tomatoes homemade. Then this other set of 5, there is this semi-patissier donut, this really defective My Melody non-repro head bun, this really defective macaron, this sushi squishy, this Torto, and this Britto macaron, which is homemade. Then in this one, there's this jumbo pancake, mini excited face pancake. There's some defects, obviously. This lollipop defected monster squishy, and this jam toast. And then there also is this one, which contains a peach booty, and this decoed donut, and 3 homemade Bretto cake rolls. And then this is the last grab bag I have available. So it contains a chicken squishy, Bretto, a eyeball squishy, a homemade melon bun squishy, this Pokeball squishy, and Gudetama sushi. So then, oh, never mind. Well, I have one more. Oh, okay, so this Sammy Patissier donut actually belongs in this set, so I'm very sorry about that. But anyways, in this set, there is a Sammy Patissier donut, red velvet cake, Hello Kitty rice cracker, this donut defected, and this like black cake. So then I have these 3 squishies will be for $10 each. There's this squishy, this one licensed, and then this one super dang squishy. That will be for $19 if you buy 2 of them. And yeah.